So in this video, I'm going to show you how you fill in the Gantt chart using conditional formatting. I've actually already started doing this because I found it's easier to actually input the formula into conditional forming and go for it that way rather than try and enter it on the video. So I'm just going to go to conditional formatting and I'm going to show you the formula that I've used. So what you would be doing is going to new rule and setting up a new rule, but I'm going to go to manage rules so you can see the rule that I've set up. So this is gone to the rule using the edit formatting rule, but if you just went to set up a new rule, you'd get exactly the same dialog box. And the formula that I've put in here is that Excel is going to select the cells where E$2, and that's basically this cell here, which is reading the 1st of January 2025, is greater than or equal to $B3, which is effectively this cell here, which is the start date. So is the date in question that I'm looking at, the 1st of January 2025, is it greater or equal to the start date? It's going to be greater than or equal to the start date. And it has to be less than $C3. It has to be less than the end date. It has to be less than the 31st of January 2025. And then what I've done here is that from my formatting, I've just selected on format and I've chosen a darker fill. That was my lighter fill for the month, so I've chosen a darker fill, so I'm just going to choose that. So that's my format. So if I just click on that again, you can see that the January is blocked out, but I want to apply this to the entirety of my Gantt chart. So when I click on that, I've got this dialog box there, and it's going to ask me what I want it to apply, where I want this conditioning rule to apply. So if I click on my entire Gantt chart and then just select it like that, oops, no, I haven't selected it correctly. Let me see if I can do that again. That's the entire Gantt chart, I hope. And click on that. Okay, then lo and behold, I have an instant Gantt chart. I do not have to go through and manually shade it. That's simply using the conditioning formatting feature.